Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to search for jobs on your phone on LinkedIn. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, open the app, and after that, in the bottom right of the screen, as you can see, there is an option called Jobs. You have just to click on it. And here you will find a lot of options. So if you want to have some easy apply jobs, like easy applies is that you can apply for the job easily by just sending your CV that is like stored on your LinkedIn account. But I don't recommend using easy apply options because every job that is posted with easy apply, you should be sure that there is hundreds, if not thousands, of people who applied for this job. And also you will find other jobs, a lot of options. But if you want to search for specific job, which I highly recommend, you have just to go to the top of the screen where is the search option. Click on it, and after that you can just type whatever job you want and also your level. For example, as you can see, there is remote senior software engineer, product marketing in media. I want to use marketing skills in fashion and things like that. So for example, I will try this. I want to use marketing skills in fashion. I will click on it, or you can also type whatever you want. And as you can see, it will give you the options available for marketing in the industry that you asked for. And here you will have the most important options. So if you want to see the newest jobs, you can click on date posted and look if you want to see job posted from the past month, from the past week, or only in the past 24 hours. If you have specific company that you want to see only the job offers from that company. If you want that easy apply option that I told you about. If you want jobs that have under 10 applicants on this job, so they don't have a lot of candidates yet. If you want something already in your network, like someone who posted that job offer is from your network and from your friend list. And also an important option, as you can see here, it's written Tunisia with blue. If you want to find the jobs outside your country in other countries, you have just to click on the name of your country. And after that, change that location to any other location that you want. For example, I will change it to Chicago. Click on it, and now it will show me the jobs available in Chicago, of course, and always related to the thing that I typed on my search inquiry. And you can look for the jobs and choose whatever job you like and you want to apply for. And if you want to get alerts about that job, you can activate the option in the bottom of the screen, which tells you get jobs alert for this search. You can turn it on like this, and you can turn it off if you don't want to receive alerts. And also another important thing that you should know before applying to any job, you should have your CV ready. Of course, it should be an updated CV. You should have all the informations needed and all the informations that anyone who will review your application, he will need them. And that's it. I hope all the good luck for all of you on finding your next job or your first job. And I hope also that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video.